What do you know? One gameplay of Neutronize in their games to the next. Jonathan, you've done great, my friend. Nico House. What? What the frick is this? I like the burden. Oh, oh, Alex. Oh no, what's happening? What's happening? The huge flying ship crashed into the hill nearby. I better go have a look. I love the music. Hello, little guys. Oh, oh, I love you, little guys. Bye bye now. Bye bye now. Okay. Okay. Max, Lee, May, and Lex. Oh, ow. Ow, oh, oh. My poor little head. Yes, the victory. Hmm. I wonder if I can, if in the future I can work with Jonathan. I can make a new cat for this game. That's a good idea. And make it look exactly like me, without my shaved head. More of an afro. You dummies. Who was in charge of winding up the engine? You. Very well. The rest of the soldiers are approaching. Here comes Alex. Hey, I saw your ship crash. Do you need help? What are you doing? You little... You're lucky you don't get demonetized. Lucky I don't say this stuff. Hey. Hey, wake up. Mc... Oh, hey, it's McMeow. How you doing? He has to be my favorite character. Where am I? In the tin belly of a flying ship. We gotta get out of here, kiddo. You see anyone guarding us? It's all clear. Then bust out, big boy. Ooh. Whoa, thanks. I'm out. The name's Sergeant McMeow. Follow me. Hey, those are the enemies from the first game. Even though... Did you see that? Did you see that? Ooh, boo, 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 boo. Whoosh! Dang, more boxes to climb? Ain't really my specialty. I know what your specialty is. attacking enemies and punching them right in the face. Piece of cake. Let me handle this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, little Alex. Yeah. Let's get out of here. It really hit me. Wait. There's something. I need to check up there. Oh wait, I can't get up there. Crap. We need Luna. We need Luna. Luna. Yeah, we need Luna. You know, I like her. She's one of the most prettiest characters in the game. Oh. I guess I'm just too slow. I'm too slow. Oh, here we go. Alright, you wanna see something cool? Check pow! Check pow! Jonathan, you did it. You made a perfectly challenging but cute little game. Okay, I'm crushing you all with my mighty check pow, check pow. Now where's that cat belly you're hiding from me? I feel like we missed something. Did we miss something? Yeah, we missed something. Come on, Alex. Oh, shoot, we can't. Jump! Woo! Yay! Oh, hello. I'm gonna knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out later for knocking me out. You old tin piece of crap. Here's what I'll do to you. The frick? Look at that. Look at Alex trying to be all swag. He is swag. He's swag. He's got swag. Here's the mother trucking tea. Turnip fields. I don't like turnips. Not my favorite vegetable. Oh. Cats always landed on their feet. They do. Alright, this is where we part ways. Stay out of trouble. Wait! We should stick together if we want to fight the Tin Army. Yeah. Okay, I'll take you to find some help. Oh my gosh, he's got like those kind of tag. I don't know. Remember, I can attack an enemy, any enemy, just not ones with spikes. I can tell. Click, click. Change cat. So there's 8 cats. If I ever in the future work with Jonathan, I'd be the 9th character in the game. Well, except for like Man's Bridge and all that. Well, maybe I could be added to Magic Bridge? I don't know. Should I be? Hashtag the Great Superstar makes a new cat for Magic Bridge, and you crapping me right now? I know what I meant by enemies with spikes. Okay, I got a plan. Oh man, that didn't work. Ooh. Alright, we go into dark. Only to find a little bell for Mr. McMeow with his, I can tell it. He actually is a sergeant because see what's on his neck? It's a cat. Is it a dog chain? I don't know. These kind of chains that are like that weird shape. I don't know what they're called. Gosh dang it, I forget what they're called. I literally don't freaking know. When turnips are spawning everywhere. We have to kill them with our mighty powers. Oh, I see something up there. Frick. Alright, alright. This looks like a job for Alex. Ooh. Yeah. I feel like we're missing something here. We need this guy to crash in enemies. Must score. Ooh, I see something up there. Yeah. Yay. And then yeet again. And we're just gonna yeet all over the place. Oh, I feel like I need to do something. Hey, I did it! I feel like I need to go back and get one. Ow! Ew! Ooh. Oh. I don't know how long I've been recording, but I'm just gonna end it right here. See you guys later.